Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download games on App Store without credit card or payment method. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your App Store. From here you tap on profile icon and tap on Apple ID banner name. From here you tap on country or region, tap on this. Tap on again change country or region and select your country. Tap on United States. Terms and condition, read carefully and tap on agree and tap on again agree. From here you as can see payment method. What you need to do is tap on none and scroll down, put this form. Information is saved. You have put right information, select your state. After that, enter your zip code. Enter your phone number and tap on next. After that, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.